In this video we will have a look at this desoldering gun I got for free from Banggood, and it comes with a manual, but I can't read the Chinese, so we'll skip this manual. And it also comes with these filters and these rinsing rods and the soldering gun. You can have a look close here, and we turn it around and we see that it's 100 watts, and you can adjust the temperature between 380 and 480 degrees centigrade. And it also comes with this stand and a plug like this that is supposed to go in this adapter, but this adapter has no earth connection between here, so we skip this adapter too. Instead, I found a plug I had laying around, so I used that and mounted this on the cable. And the soldering gun, you got a nozzle here, or jet, I don't know what you call it, and the hole is about 1 millimeter, and you got a container here where the tin is supposed to go to, and when you can also remove this container and empty it, and you can adjust the temp here with this, and I got this diode indicating when it's heating, and it's got double vacuum pumps that sucks the tin in here like this. I made a new nozzle to it, made out of brass, and this has a little bit bigger hole, 1.6 millimeters. You can compare them here. It's a bit bigger, and that can be handy to have if you have components with a bit larger components legs. Alright, then let's test it then. Let's start with try to desolder these capacitors like you see here. Let's see how it goes. No problem. Take another one. This one. Try that one. Okay. And we got one here too. Well, that was pretty easy, I think. Let's try something different. Let's try this guy right here. Yeah, that went smooth. Okay, what about this micro switch? Try that too. And there we have it. Let's remove this plastic container, like so. And here you can see there's some tin in the bottom. And then you just rinse it out and continue. Maybe we can use a screwdriver. Here you got it, the tin. Okay. And then we got this container remounted. Now let's test my homemade nozzle, see how it works. Okay, let's heat the gun up and then we have a go. Alright, why not try to remove this switch? Got 4 connections there. So let's try that with my homemade nozzle. And here we have the little switch. I have now changed back to the original nozzle. So let's try this easy. I see. Okay, here we go. That was not difficult. In fact, it was pretty easy. Here are some of the electronic components that I have desoldered with this desoldering gun. Alright, I think it's time to sum this up. So what do I really think about this desoldering gun? Well, I think it's pretty good. It's doing its job, I think. So I will give it thumbs up. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. And I'll be back soon and I see you then. Bye bye.